Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can log into your MetaTrader 5 account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, you'll have to open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Then you'll be directly led to this page. Here on the top left corner of your screen, you can see the three-lined icon. Tap on it. Then on the top section, you'll be able to see a Get Started button where you can either log into your existing account or open a demo account. Simply tap on the button. Then you'll be led to your accounts page where you'll have to tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of your screen. You can find broker by simply tapping on the Find Broker search box. All you'll have to do is search for the broker. But if you want to get logged into your demo account, you'll have to tap on the MetaCode Software Corporation. Then you'll be led to the login page. Here, if you don't have an account, you can simply tap on Open a Demo Account and follow through the process. But since we're going to log into our account, you'll have to type in your user ID, then your password. You'll also have to select the server by just simply tapping on the drop-down menu. In case you've forgotten your password, all you'll have to do is simply tap on the Forgot Password option and follow through the process. After entering all your credentials, all you'll have to do is tap on the Login button and you'll be successfully logged into your MetaTrader 5 account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.